Welcome to this lesson on installing TIBCO Spotfire's trial version. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Spotfire trial version, getting Spotfire up and running on your system, so you can start building your own dashboards and reports. Before we begin, a couple of points to note here. Spotfire is a commercial product. It's not an open source and it requires a paid license, right? But TIBCO offers a Spotfire trial version that gives you full access to explore its capabilities for a limited 30 days period of time. Secondly, some of the enterprise features may be limited in this trial version, such as Information Designer is not accessible in the trial version. Information Designer is where we create something called as information links, which are basically complex queries to your database to pull the data into your reports. We will learn about Information Designer and information links in future lessons, but this feature is not available in trial version. But don't worry, this doesn't stop you from learning or creating full-fledged dashboards in Spotfire. You can still work with flat files like Excel or CSV, which is great to get started with Spotfire. Also, you can connect to basic databases and explore almost all the key features needed to build impactful visualizations in Spotfire. Now let's get started. To start with, go to the official TIBCO Spotfire website, which you can see on this screen. Once you are here on this page, you can see a simple registration form. All you need to do is fill in this form, provide your email ID for registration, your first and last name, your phone number, and what you will be using this product for. You can choose other and choose one of these here, maybe a developer, and then the country you're residing in. And this is where Spotfire is going to store your data. You can leave it as it is, no need to change anything here. Agree to the terms, and once you fill all of this information, Get My Spotfire trial will be enabled. I have already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. So as soon as you click on Get My Spotfire trial, you will receive an email onto your registered email, something like this. Now, once you have received this email, you can activate your account by clicking here. You can verify your details, create your password, read and accept the terms, and click on Activate. That's it. You now have access to Spotfire. This is Spotfire web player. You can actually start connecting to your data and start creating your visualizations here. But Spotfire web player is primarily used to publish the work that you have done and share it with the team, play around with the dashboard, and you can do some minor changes from web player directly. But for an actual end-to-end development of a dashboard, you need to download Spotfire Analyst. This is a desktop application primarily built to do your development work. You can download for Windows by clicking on this button, download for Windows, and an installation file starts getting downloaded. Once that is done, just run the installation file. It's very simple and straightforward. You can just go on following the on-screen instructions, read through the agreement and accept and install. You can check Start Spotfire Cloud now. Finish. Click on Login. You need to put in your email ID and registered email ID and password that you have generated. Click on authorize. That's it. You will be logged in and click on install now. All of the required packages and things will be okay. So it took me few minutes to complete downloading of all the required packages and complete the login. So that's it. We are now ready to explore Spotfire. In the next lesson, we'll walk through the interface and get started with building our first dashboard.